Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Fatia. Okay, my group and I will present to you about our product, which is auto clean shielding fan. Okay, this in this project, auto clean shielding fan are designed to ease user to clean the shielding fan. Okay, we determine this project by looking at the diverse benefit for user to use this fan, which have very unique applications such as auto clean at each part of the blade, energy saving, temperature sensor, and URI. Okay, these ideas are generated by observing the people that having difficulty or problem during the cleaning session. Okay, they cleaning the ceiling fan usually mostly during the before the festival time such as Raya Aidilfitri, Tahun Baru Cina, during the Raya time mostly. Okay, or on the plate already have the very have the excessive heat on the plate, excessive dust on the plate. The current problem and current issue nowadays that make our team make this product because of the mostly user are very busy person and they hardly to find time to clean the fan because they are too busy with their work. Okay, the issue having whenever the fan are slow or already have too much extensive dust around the plate. Okay, when it's very slow, most very slow, so the condition in that room at that place is not will not cool as we want. Okay, of course when we use fan, of course we want cool condition, right? Okay, in addition, currently also have the problem because of the fan are too complicated in cleaning session. Okay, to whom used to and clean the fan knows that very hard because we need stairs to climb up to clean the fan up to the ceiling, and it takes time and very hard because of we need to carry the stairs and we need to climb the stairs. Okay, so it's very hard quietly and it takes time. Okay, some product or some that to clean the fan sometimes are not working or there is no product that can clean the what is it can clean the fan easily. Okay, we just produce this product, design this product, innovate this product, just make life people life become more easy. Okay, the aim of this new technology is to develop and design by helping lazy person or not very busy person to clean the fan in easy way. Okay, as we have the auto clean shielding fan, we will make sure that people life will become easier and the The process of the cleaning itself is the process of the cleaning itself is very easy, and not it's very it's not too complex. It's very simple, and it will help to not will not take the people time as much as they need to clean the pen by themselves. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yusra Yasmin. I will present regarding about marketability, disability study in type of POSA. So in terms of market, we already choose the venture which is market, product durability, value added, market size, and market growth rate, which is the type of market we are trying to see whether on what type of market that who are going to use our product, which is auto cleaning ceiling system, auto cleaning ceiling fans, and what type of product durability that we are going to edit, and also in terms of the market size potentials, then market growth rate that we are going to do, that we are going to searching for. So first of all, after we already explore and observe, so we are putting our market, which is at 3, which is the highest potentials, product durability also highest, value added also highest, which is 3 too, and market size potential we put only 2, and market growth rate we put 1, which is our rate is 1. So next slide. So why we put market driver is the highest potential? This is due to our target customers which is worker or busy person who need less time to clean. Also we conclude to the old faults that hard to clean. So this is the best product for them to use. For the product durability, the customer wants a product can last longer. So we created something that lasts longer from the warranty and only need a short time to clean the product. Also, the auto cleaning system we put in very simple. We just press the button and then it is already clean. Then the fan can operate last longer, energy saving and maintenance are very affordable. So that is our productivity. That's why we are put 3 because it's the highest thing, highest value. So for the next part is value added. So we provide auto cleaning dust on each plate, which is the lightest metal in the world, which is micro lattice. As the main part of the cleaning dust, at the blade we are using ABS polymer. This is very simple. That most of the fans are using ABS polymer. This is due to also there are very lightest metal too, and it's very suitable for the blade. So we provide a 4 or 5 blade, which is give very smooth and strong air. A very energy saving because we are using DC motor. DC motor that is provide energy saving and easy pairing with the remote controls. Okay. For next thing is the product was aimed to the people who are busy person. This is a market size potential. That product is aimed to the very busy person, like a worker mainly from age 20 and above who already start working. From the survey, 57.1% after we create a survey for them. So 57.1% will change the old product to our product. It's a very good start for our products, and because it's our company are very new in the industry of the fan. So the market growth. So as you all know, that market growth is very less, expectation is to the market. So because of the we are putting less, we are trying to give very a good motivation to us to try to increase more better. So after we increasing the market growth, so we can in order to stand equally with the national company that already been well established in this industry. Okay, thank you.
He made my heart pound. And skip a beat when I see him in the street and at school on the playground. But I really wanna
Hi,
see
my
him on
name
the
is Nur
weekend.
Ayatun
He know he
Saiji,
got me
and I would like
dazing.
to explain
Cause
to
he
the
is
about
so
competitors and
amazing.
competition.
And now
So,
my heart
what
is
is
breaking.
competitors?
But I
Competitors
just
can be
keep on
defined as other
saying.
businesses or other company which provide similar services or substitute or alternative product and services which focus to the same target market. So our target market is all the every houses and building which are using the conventional fan to auto cleaning gas fan. So our typical competitors that we are that are majorly used by the conventional which provide conventional fan it is Panasonic, KDK and Sharp. So we have three local competitors and one international competitors. As our listed as we are listed the competitors is Alpha, Kin, KDK and Deka. So all of these have their own strength and their own weakness, but other than that they don't provide any fan with auto cleaning dust. So for our standard, for our strength, we are very unique product which is a new invented product which provide the combination of cleaning and fan. We come in very in variety color and very light, which is our net weight is 7 kilogram and our speed is 5, and we are using materials micro lattice as our cleaner, and we are using ABS polymer, which is very environmental friendly material to be used, and for our warranty we are providing 2 years warranty, and within 2 years for every 6 months we are provide a maintenance service. So all of the purchaser can claim the maintenance service for every 6 months. uh, Other than that, we didn't find any weakness of our product because for now this is very new product which are you very if with multifunctional and unique product. So among all of the brand that provide the same services, we are the best product to be purchased.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Noratida binti Cikmat. Today, I will present about the customer trend canvas related to our new development product, which is auto clean ceiling fan. First of all, during our research and development to build the product, we decided to focus into fulfilling the basic need of the customer. We found that to ensure our product is relevant to light up in the current trend, we need to build a reliable and efficient product that can solve the problem, which is solving the problem of cleaning dust. Moreover, due to the current issue where people facing many difficulties to clean the fan, therefore auto clean ceiling fan could be important and it is needed in making life easier. We also create a product for time saving, so our product can be a good recommendation for new user that hesitate to buy this new product development, in the first place. In addition, for those that have disease such as asthma and skin allergy, they need this product so much because they cannot clean the fan manually. Talk about our drivers of change. Based from the current product in market, we had found a major development that can be made where no auto clean ceiling fan in market. Therefore, this new technology development is created in order to help people such as housewives, busy workers and senior citizens in doing their job. Besides, we encourage them to use this product that have the energy saving. Also, we believe that this auto clean ceiling fan as a new technology development will help people to solve a lot of problems in terms of not enough time, busy, lazy and so on. Besides, this product will increase the economic growth and giving opportunity in Malaysia. For imaging customer expectation, customer always right is the term that we always put on first when we want to create our product. We believe in satisfying customer need is really a boost in maintaining the acceptance of our product in the market. Besides an efficient product, we propose to customer that our product is affordable, especially for middle income family and is energy saving. Furthermore, we propose our product where only need a short amount of time to clean the fan and the fan can operate efficiently for longer period of time. The most important thing is the auto clean system working smoothly even it was used frequently and easily to be repaired or maintenance when broken. Therefore, too much complicated in handling and expensive are two main things that we believe can kill the customer first inspiration towards our product. Next, about the innovation potential of the auto clean ceiling fan, which is the design of the auto clean ceiling fan, also the development and operation. To the extent that the inspiration of the auto clean ceiling fan, actually we had found the idea when we are looking at the fan. A lot of questions come to our mind, which is why not we create a new technology to clean the ceiling fan by automatically, since no more auto clean ceiling fan in market. So we don't have to clean it manually, just press the button and let the system to do their work. Moreover, based on the feedback from the customer by online survey that we have done, they agree to have this technology development due to the problem in cleaning their fan. In addition, skin allergic and asthma patients are included in our inspiration. Last but not least, the multi-angle good bad dash brush is one of our inspiration to come out with new technology development, which is auto clean ceiling fan. As I said before, we propose our product development to housewives, busy workers, senior citizens, retailer and house developer. We believe that this auto clean ceiling fan will making life easier besides the time saving.
New product development is a progression of bringing a new product to the market which can solve customers' concerns and gratify their desires. Developing new product or improving the existing ones is a must for the companies in order to be successful in the future. During new product development, there are several steps that need to be going through before full-scale commercialization takes place. The steps involved in New product development are research and development, product design, concept testing, build prototype, test marketing, and commercialization. The idea generation is developed from problem complaints, from observation, and product with similar concept. During idea generation, we are observing the feedback and complaint from the customers. We observe their feedback about competitors' product and what are their desires. The sketches of product design were developed by comparing with the competitors' product and also studies done by some researchers regarding the performance of fans. We are doing some screening on our idea in order to choose the best possible design. The first sketch is not preferable because it is less attractive, low airflow produce, no dust compartment, high energy consumption, loud noise, and made from stainless steel. Second sketch is chosen because it is more attractive, have modern design and many choices of colors, produce more airflow, stable operation, dust compartment included, low energy consumption, low noise, made from ABS polymer, and this design is using premium fan motor. The market survey was done by using questionnaire by asking several questions to the customers in order to know more about their desires, needs, and feedback. We are doing online questionnaire by using SurveyMonkey application. The example of the questionnaire questions are age of respondent, respondent occupation, gender of respondent, respondent cleaning schedule, where we want to know how frequent customer clean their ceiling fan at home. The questionnaire also asks about respondents' need for an auto clean ceiling fan, respondent expectation, range of price that customers able to purchase, how auto clean ceiling fan influence customers' daily life, potential of purchasing the auto clean ceiling fan, where we want to know whether the customer are willing to replace their current ceiling fan with an auto clean ceiling fan. The last question on the questionnaire is the amount of auto clean ceiling fan which is the customer required at home. The purpose of these questionnaires are to know the customer's cleaning schedule, the customer's expectation toward our auto clean ceiling fans, the possibility of purchase, and customer's purchase intent. For our product design, we include the top view, 2D view, and front view of our auto clean ceiling fan. This auto clean ceiling fan was innovated in order to help people clean their ceiling fan easily. This technology is innovated in order to improve customers' quality of life. This design offers features which are different and special from the design available in the market. Besides, this innovation also helps to prevent any possible hazards which could arise from the manual cleaning process. As we know, ceiling fan will collect and accumulate dust. In order to clean the blade, it is necessary to wipe this dust off either using only dry dust cloth or dust cloth with some liquid cleaning material. Commonly, leather is needed in order to clean the ceiling fan, where it is placed high on the ceiling. This can be very dangerous for a person because that person who climb up the ladder might have fall off the ladder. The material of the fan is important because heavier material could add weight and require more powerful fan motor. This auto-clean ceiling fan is made from acrylonitrile butadiene styrene polymer or ABS polymer. ABS polymer is chosen because it has high corrosion retention. Besides, this polymer also inexpensive and affordable polymer which is very easy to machine and simple to use in injection molding manufacturing. This material is very strong and able to withstand any external impacts. Besides, ABS polymer also have excellent aesthetic qualities and easy to paint in various colors. This auto-clean ceiling fan is very easy to use because the cleaning process can be operated by using remote control. This fan is included with automatic cleaning system where the cleaning pad will move back and forth and will clean the dust on the blade. As this fan is made from ABS polymer, so it is much lighter and produce low noise. The dust compartment included can be washed and easily to be unattached in order to clean and throw out the dust collected in the compartment. The blades of this auto-clean ceiling fan are tilted to 45 degrees to get airflow direction in order to generate maximum airflow. The blades have slanting tip because this design is to fabricate the winglets found on the airplane wings. The purpose of this fabrication is to smoothen the airflow around the blades by decreasing the air turbulence at the blade tip, which can reduce the energy use. Remote control is provided in order to make the operation process of these fans more easier. Besides, this fan also is inverter friendly, where there is no speed drop will happen due to the voltage fluctuation. This fan can run at top speed even with low voltage. Our product comes with warranty and free maintenance is provided within 2 years of purchase. The whole body and parts of these fans are made from ABS polymer. This polymer have high corrosion retention, inexpensive and affordable, very easy to machine and simple to use. Besides, this polymer is also very strong and able to withstand any external impact. Moreover, this material have excellent aesthetic quality and easy to paint with various colors. The dust compartment at the bottom of this fan are washable and easily to unattach. The design of the blades is fabricated from the winglets found on the airplane. The standard requirement for optimum performance. The blade of the fans is needed to be 56 inches long, 45 degree tilted blade, and the fan must have 4 blades. This auto-clean ceiling fan is more attractive compared to the competitors' product because it has modern design and many choices of colors available. Premium motor is used for these fans, which is DC motor. DC motor can move these fans about 6,000 cubic feet per minute. The power consumption is 30 watt. This motor also can save energy more than 50% and able to run twice longer compared to common fan. Our design is included with automatic cleaning system where cleaning pad is attached at the top and the bottom of the blade. The cleaning pad is in rectangular shape and it gets help from recoil spring to move back and forth. Our product is very convenient because remote control is provided. Customers can choose 5 choices of speed. Before the product is commercialized in full scale, the new developed product, Autis AutoClean Ceiling Fan, will be introduced to a sample population. By this test marketing, the sample population are able to gain an actual experience in using the complete new product. The market's reaction will be assessed in order to strategize for the commercialization stage. Firstly, a study on the product will be done in order to obtain the actual subject. The actual product will be distributed to the sample population, which is busy workers and people who have asthma or allergic to dust. This client will be allowed to test the complete product in order to gain their feedbacks and reaction. Feedback form will be distributed to the client. After that, an exhibition will be done at several selected shopping complex in order to introduce and attract customer attention towards this new developed product. At the exhibition, the specification, features, and how to use the product will be explained clearly to the client so that they will easily understand as well as have enough knowledge about the product. The explanation about the product features and specification is really a crucial move in introducing the new developed AutoClean ceiling fan. This is because some people will not buying the product or lost interest to purchase the AutoClean ceiling fan if they do not know well about the product and do not know how to operate it smoothly. After doing some modification or improvement on the product based on the feedback obtained from the sample client, this AutoClean ceiling fan will be further introduced to the non-workers such as housewife, senior citizen and retired. A survey on the price and opportunities to repurchase the product will be done and review before the product is commercialized in the full-scale market.
You are my love, you are my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart. Are we an item? Boy, quit playing. We're just friends. You say it. Said there's another. Look right in my eyes. My first love broke my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 no, like baby, 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 oh, I thought you'd always be mine. Oh, for you, I would have done whatever, and I just can't believe we ain't together. And I wanna play it cool, but I'm losing you. I'll buy you anything. I'll buy you anything that are in pieces. Baby, fix me and just shake me till you wake me from this bad dream. I'm going down, 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 down. I just can't believe my first love won't be around, and I'm like, baby.